Ford key fobs often fail after a battery replacement due to either a loss of synchronization with the vehicle's immobilizer system or corrosion on the battery contacts. When the battery is changed, the fob may enter a sleep mode, requiring a relearn procedure or reprogramming. Battery contacts can corrode, causing poor conductivity. Issues are common in Ford vehicles from the 2010s and early 2020s, like the F-150, Explorer, and Focus. These issues can lead to the inability to lock doors or voided warranties if not addressed promptly. First, try cleaning the battery contacts inside the fob with isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth. Ensure you're using a CR232 3-volt lithium battery and installing it with the correct polarity. If that doesn't work, reprogram the fob. The relearn procedure varies by model, but often involves turning the ignition to the on position and pressing the lock-unlock buttons on the fob until the door locks cycle. Check your Ford owner's manual or Ford's website for the exact steps for your vehicle. If problems persist, it may be time to seek dealership assistance, as fob replacements are covered under powertrain warranties in some cases. Keep in mind that apps like Ford Relearn can automate the process as well.